Okay, so here we are, road trip. We got this Jam. The Land Cruiser is a vintage model. I love it. I love driving, and today I drove for about 7 hours already. So we're taking the Land Cruiser from Florida to California. Today is day one. We are between Tallahassee and Pensacola, and I was thinking about stopping in Pensacola, but I was already there for the NFL draft 2 years ago, since my athlete Abacuc Baldonado decided to be with his high school host family. So we're gonna stop in Alabama. Mobile, let's go. First time. Sweet home Alabama. I don't know why people talk mad shit about Alabama. This place, Mobile, is amazing. I'm really liking it. I love it. Oh, the food is here. Well, maybe not performance nutrition, but what you gotta do when in Rome, let's try this food. Cajun food. Flavorful. They're playing Johnny Cash. Love it. Leave it. Yes. So not a lot of people around the Mobile on a Tuesday night. Heading towards the hotel. Nice good night of sleep. And then tomorrow on the road again. Tomorrow is a short day though. Just 6 hours to Texas. Good morning everyone. Sorry for the hair. Mississippi. Let's go. 7 in the morning right now. We've been on the road for about 40 minutes. Finally the gas price started to significantly decrease. We are at 3.5 for the Supreme. Louisiana next. I didn't see the Texas flag yet, so I don't think we're here. We're in Texas. We're probably in an area of Louisiana. I'm tempted to go and bet $10 at the Lucky Longhorn Casino. Houston, Texas, East Texas, and currently on a morning traffic jam because it was a minor crash, but it seems like traffic is starting to get faster. And last night I stayed at Lauren's place. Lauren Murphy, she's one of my first UFC athletes. As I always say, the first athlete to ever cut me a check, which I'm forever gonna be grateful for. And we had some pasta, and dogs played. Mr. God was very, very, very freaking tired, and today I will say it's the hardest day of driving. 11 hours and a half from Houston to Las Cruces if we're good. If I'm very tired, I'm gonna stop in El Paso, but the goal is to sleep for one night in New Mexico. As you can see, the shades, very fancy shades, are back because the sun came out. In Houston was rainy, but here it's much different. Let me tell you something. It's crazy to see the change of nature. In South Florida, there's a lot of palms. Then we started to have some higher trees. As we were moving west, Louisiana, Mississippi, a lot of what they call the swamps. Then after Houston, things started to dry out and plants started to get shorter and wider. Now we just passed San Antonio. The vegetation is very similar to Southern California. I'll be damned. Essentially we're going 40 an hour, trying to reach the next gas station to use the least possible amount of gas because there are no stops. Jesus Christ, and this car doesn't have a big range, so never been happier to get to a gas station in my life. Let's go. Let's go, we made it. But look at this. A saloon. Amazing. Never seen anything like this. I'm just, I want to get home, work a little bit, otherwise I will stop here and try the barbecue. But on the road again. Last 3 hours, I think. Go fetch. Los. Push it. Go fetch. So tired, guys. Ready for a night of good sleep. Okay, so day 3 on the road was great, honestly. One point I didn't think I was gonna drive the whole 11 hours. No, sleep, because tomorrow is gonna be a long day. Yo, misto. Good night. We're out. 4 a.m. It's time to fucking do it. Let's go. 4 a.m. I say like I'm this Jocko Willink. It's 4 a.m. but I've been coming from Florida. So it's actually 6 a.m. You see how reality can be deceiving at times. Be careful. Some people might just be fooling you like I am now. Guys, incredible! Look at this! I'm at a loss of words for this beauty. Arizona. Crazy views. Wow. I'm so happy we took a detour, this I-70. Love me some mountain driving. The views are getting better and better as we are 80 miles from Phoenix, Arizona, and I think after that the state line is quite close. I don't know how to tell you this, but we made it. We are in California, about 80 miles from San Diego. I'm actually not gonna get to LA. I'm gonna see a friend in San Diego. Last miles. Let's go. Long story short, I decided to relocate from Los Angeles to San Diego. I'm 35. I like surfing. I like doing sports. I have a lot of friends here, and I don't need to be stuck in traffic for a couple of hours every time I get in the car. So I decided to give San Diego a try. This has been recorded a couple of months after the end of the road trip, maybe 1.5. But anyway, it's been great. Love the city, love the food, love the vibes, love the training. I've been training with my athlete Andy Murasaki, and thank you for being part of this journey. I know I haven't posted very often, but hopefully things can change and I can show you more of my life. A little more cooking, a little more training,